Cooking is more than something you can do at home with your family. In my culture, food is far more than physical nourishment. It is a primary result for historical memory, social cohesion, and the expression of national pride. One dish from my community I wish more people would try is white rice lalo and fried food. Something I've learned cooking at second chance that I hope to bring back to my community is dumpling. I want people to try white rice, lalo, and fried food because in my culture everybody likes to cook and eat them. And for me, they are delicious when I eat them. I want to bring dumpling in my community to try to do it on my own, like Asians like to cook. Thank you.